In this clip, I will show you how to make a butterfly. This is a model designed by Paul Jackson, and it can be found in the book Origami Handbook by Rick Beach. Starting with a water bomb base, turn it so that the point is facing towards you. Take this point and we are going to fold it up to the top, center-wise. Fold it in half so that the point is on top. Note the center crease. We are going to take this part and fold it up at a slight angle, like so. Now we are going to do the same thing on the other side. Take this part and fold it up at a slight angle. Unfold these two flaps and open up this pocket right in here, and we are going to refold that little angle that we made inside, leaving the outside alone, so that this little flap is folded back inside that little pocket. Do the same thing on this side.